It is a bright and sunny morning. The sky is blue. The birds are singing. Ali and Ake are very excited. Today is Saturday. They go to the park with big smiles. "Let's play," says Ollie happily. First, Ollie wants to ride a bike. He rides his red bike very fast. Ake rides her blue bike slowly. They laugh and say, "Be careful." After riding, they feel warm. "Let's run," says Ake. They start running on the grass. Ollie runs fast. Ake runs faster. They both fall on the grass and laugh. Then they see a colourful hopscotch game on the ground. "Let's play hopscotch, hop hop." Ollie hops on one foot. Ake hops and turns around. They are very happy. Ake takes a pink rope from her bag. "I have a skipping rope," she says. She starts skipping rope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ali counts loudly. Then Ali tries. He jumps and jumps. Oops, he falls down. They laugh again. Near the tree, they see a big seesaw. They sit on it together. Up and down, up and down. Ollie goes up high. Ake goes down low. Again, again, they shout. After that, they go to the playground. Ake sits on the swing. She is swinging high in the air. "Look at me," she says. Ali pushes her gently. Next, they go to the slide. They are sliding very fast. Whoosh, Ali slides first. Then Ake slides. Some children are dancing near the music box. Ollie and Ake join them. They dance and hop to the music. Clap, clap, turn around. They are tired but happy. Ollie sees a ball on the grass. He runs and kicks the ball. He kicks it far. Ake kicks it back. They play together for a long time. Suddenly, Ollie says, "Let's play hide and seek." Ake closes her eyes. Ollie goes to hide behind a big tree. "Ready or not, here I come." Ake finds him quickly. They laugh again. The sun starts to go down. The sky is orange and pink. Ollie and Ake sit on the grass. "It is a beautiful day," says Ake. "Yes," says Ollie. "Let's come again tomorrow." They go home tired but very happy. It is the best day ever.